Good afternoon, plumbers. If you don't know, we do everyday plumbing, the good, the bad, and the ugly. And today I'm working in the shop on truck number 4, trying to get it ready for the road. Adding a couple racks for pipe, you know, for interior storing. But I want to come in and say, hey, I want to wish everybody out there a happy Father's Day, and keep teaching these young men and young women the father's view of stuff. It's a hard job, we all know that. You know, as you know, I'm training my 2 sons, but it's been a pleasure, and I look forward to the journey. I'm having fun, I gotta tell you. I'm busting my butt, don't get me wrong, it ain't easy. The filming has been tough of late. I'm really busy. The jobs I have are unfilmable. If they are filmable, I don't have time. So that's why the film's been, when I say films, the vids, whatever you want to call them, they've been a little slow. It ain't because we're quitting. We're just trying to set it up so I can do some more editing, some more filming, some more fun times, and teaching these young bucks the trade. Teach them the right way. If I free myself off from the truck, I can go in the book more, read the instructions more, you know what I'm saying? So I'm looking forward to the day. And today, you know, the eve of Father's Day, I actually got to work tomorrow. Oh, excuse me. Oh my God. On the eve of Father's Day, I actually have to work tomorrow, so we're doing our thing either today or Monday, or every day's Father's Day to me, dude. Don't even matter. Come on. Man-made holiday, doesn't even matter, but just to show a point of appreciation for all us hard-working fathers out there. Even you moms are acting as fathers, you know. Happy Father's Day. Because I know you mommies were first. Mommies deserve a lot of credit, 100% of the credit. It all starts with you, we all know that. I got a guy coming on board shortly, and I'm looking forward to it. Trying to put together a good team, you know, customer friendly, willing to teach, clean, friendly, you know, all the bells and whistles of a good customer service rep. It's all about the customer, we know that. It ain't about me, it's about the company serving the customer. And the teaching will continue, and I'm learning every day. I did manage to grab a little film job of a sewer. We did a renovation on a movie theater, and a lot of construction, fire system lines went in after our sewer line. And I know these guys would fess up if they hit it, but I said, why not check the line with the camera, make sure before they pave, and then we had some footage put in around the pipe, so why not do it? So that's what we did. I'm gonna lead this off into that video. I really appreciate all your support, and I'll be honest with you, I'm having a lot of fun. It's been hard work. I'm working 3 jobs right now. The plumbing, the fireman, and the YouTube editing, filming, teaching, plus trying to catch a couple waves. It's all worth it. It's going to be good. When it's done and the plan is in place, it's going to be good, folks. I don't mind working hard. I know it's going to turn out, because I know it's going to turn out. And showing these kids the right thing to do moving forward with the plumbing. On the business side too. That's the main part. You do have to know the trade though. You don't have to. It's good to know. Plumbers, if you don't know, we do everyday plumbing, the good, the bad, and the ugly, all while training my 2 sons the plumbing trade. Gonna be a long journey, but well worth it, because we all know plumbing ain't going nowhere. Right now, what we're going to do is we actually did a sewer job here 4 or 5 months ago, but they had a lot of excavating going on, and they're about to pave the parking lot. So as a courtesy, I'm going to throw the camera down there and make sure it wasn't dinged or nicked by accident under the cover of darkness. So stay tuned, we're going to get the shots. What? I grabbed one of what? While you drink your Red Bull? Yo! What up, dog? We changed the sewer from here all the way back. Up here. A couple 45s here. And into the side of the building. And that's our clean out. We're going to check from here back out to the street, because as you see out front in the street, a 6-inch water service was cut in for the fire system for this building. We just want to make sure the sewer's not been compromised, even though the guys I'm sure would tell us, but we're getting ready to pave all of this. So let's give them the courtesy film job. Great customers, and we want to make sure. Real slow. Yeah, it's all there. Listen, let me do it this way. All right, we're coming right under me towards the street. Should hit a couple 45s. Got a couple 45s. We're already past the connection where the sewer guy, the fire guys went by. So let's just might as well go to the street. We're going towards the curb now. 25 feet in. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Under the sidewalk now. Hold this up here for me. There you go. There you go. Keep pushing. You gotta keep pushing. There you go. It's all just dry pipe, Ange. Looks good. I'm gonna go right to the curb when we're backing it right out. Here's our other 45. Bang. Okay, push. Now we're going to the street. Boom. Keep going. Alright. We are now about to drop in the street. Boom. There it is. Up, couple rocks. Alright. Now we're actually in the street. Alright, boys and girls. I'm going to call it an A-OK sewer connection. And there's no problems. They can go ahead and pave. I was just nervous about the 6-inch line coming right through here. You know?
You were here the day they were digging.
I know.
Like, oh, yeah, they got it.
Oh, you and Chris were here.
Yeah.
Right. We did this sewer, man. This is where I broke the water main on the video. How long ago was that? We're still 30 feet out. Here, you wait, you come. All right. Shake it for me.
Just spin that.
All right. He's actually wiping it. We should wipe it with wipes. This way it's nice and clean, right. Or oil.
Spray something on this.
Yeah, or this way it's nice and slippery. Here comes our last 45. We're going backwards. Now we're coming right under me to where the sewer guys were. Going to be pulling out, and right here, it looks good, man. This is where the sewer job was, or the fire system was right here in this area. 10 foot out. And out the clean out. Bang. Bang. Awesome. Alright, we got the shots. Sewer's all intact. everything's a go. Just want to make sure for a good customer. In the end, we got it done. And Angelo, what we got?
Clean sewer line.
A clean sewer line. You better start bringing the energy, son. All right, bring the energy. Until then, have a great weekend, everybody.
And stay safe.
Stay safe. And there goes another satisfied customer. See ya.